So I'm going to explain to you guys why this airplane flies much smoother and faster than other airplanes that we would typically fold. So the first reason is that it has flaps. These little things are called flaps, and these flaps allow the airplane to descend and take off in a more vertical manner. So when an airplane is descending, it can come more vertically and then turn into a parallel manner rather than coming parallel at an earlier time and going parallel for an extended amount of time. And this is why you saw the tip getting stuck in the soil, because the plane went vertically in the previous video. And the second one is that it has a dihedral, which means that the wings are angled upwards, and this allows the airplane to have more stability and adjust easier when the airplane is going to a certain side due to wind currents.